I empathize with you. I really do. I know that evaluating people is difficult, especially evaluating your own people. You could look at someone else's organization and make very quick evaluations. That's easy. But doing your own people, not so easy. And we avoid doing it because, first, it feels too subjective. And often it involves criteria other than just the performance of their basic work duties. Lots of times when we want to do those evaluations, we're really thinking more about attitude issues and soft, squishy things. And it's hard to be objective about those things or find a way to present them in an objective way. We have a natural aversion to conflict. And if you feel like sitting down and talking with this person is going to blow up or erupt into something ugly or unpleasant, you just find ways to avoid it and do something else. I think this is a huge one. We just feel that addressing difficult issues just isn't nice. It's not nice to that person. How can you have a difficult conversation with a single mom, say, who already has a tough life, and I'm going to add to her burdens? That's not nice. I'll just avoid it. And we know that it could, would, should involve us needing to take action in the future. So you think, well, if I bring it up, then what's the next step? Will this person quit? Will I have to find a replacement? Will we have to go through a whole accountability process? Maybe it's just easier to just let it lay. And we don't have a tool or a process that helps us to make a fair evaluation. Well, that's what I'm going to teach you in this module. So let's not think of evaluating them as people. We're not going to evaluate them as people. They're great people. They're great coaches, brothers, sisters, friends, community members, scout leaders, church members, whatever it is. They're great people. We're not assessing them as people. We're just going to restrict this exercise to evaluating their performance in their current role today. Whatever it is that you've asked them to do in your organization, we're just going to say, how are you doing in that role only? That's all we're going to be evaluating. We're not assessing them as people, okay? We're not making value judgments about, are these good or bad human beings? No. And we're going to be as objective as possible in making that evaluation in their current role today.